And I know I look like crazy, but it's only because it's my morning face. I'm ready to start now. Hey guys, good morning. How are you? I thought I'd make a vlog today because I am off from work and I'm at home whole day. Hopefully, I don't know if they will call me at work, so I'll have to go. But right now I'm at home and I have a lot of work to do. As you can see, I have lots of clothes on my bed and my bed is very messy. I have to make my bed, and then I have some here luggages here. I actually went for my sister's wedding anniversary. It was a couple of days ago and it was at home, but actually I keep all my Indian wears in the luggage, so I had to take it out. And as you can see, I made a huge mess. So I am going to clean this, and I am also going to clean this area, and I'm planning to make a vlog and of course set up my make my bed. Let's begin. So I'm just coming back from downstairs. I thought I'll make myself a coffee first before I start the video, and I also had to get my tripod. It's right here. So this is kind of broken, so my videos get tilted most of the time, but this is the one I have right now, so I have to use it. And I know I look like crazy, but it's only because it's my morning face, and I'm going to have the same face for the whole day because I'm busy cleaning, so I will not be paying attention to myself right now. Maybe at the end of the day I'll take shower, and then right now I'll just start with the cleaning. Let me show you how this place looks. So you see, this is all messy. Yeah, this is how I keep everything because during the week I try to get ready and I try to do it ASAP. Anyways, most of the stuff I'm just going to put it on the counter because most of these things I use it every day. So yeah, I will need it. And here, let me show you. Here is one of the luggage. Here is some laundry clothes, and here is some laundry clothes. Here is another luggage, and some right here. Okay, let's start now. I'm ready to start now. So at first, I thought I will take out all the clothes from my luggage and then fold everything neatly. But then I thought it's too much time consuming and I don't need to put so much effort into this because these are the clothes that I barely wear nowadays. So I just took out the ones on the top that were kind of messy and folded them properly. Now I fold my Indian wears in few different ways depending on the types of dress, like whether it's anarkali or churidar, or whether it's heavy work or light work. Here mostly are regular shalwar kurtis, so I'm folding it in two ways. The first one is where my dupatta has heavy work, so before doing the last fold of my kurti, I keep my folded shalwar and dupatta inside it and then give it the final fold. And then the second way is where my kurti has heavy work, so I'm keeping my kurti under my dupatta and then folding it properly. This way the works on my clothes won't get ruined, and it will not ruin my other clothes as well. Okay, so one bag is done and I am sweating like crazy because the luggage was very heavy. I'm on the second luggage, and I think I started the recording and then I took all the stuff out, but I think it wasn't recording. But I'll just show you that I have already emptied this luggage. I've already emptied this luggage and kept everything right here, so I'm just gonna fold everything and then keep it back. This luggage was extra messy because it has mostly the anarkali suits and it's very hard to fold the anarkali suits. So anyways, let's start now. So all my Indian wears are in the baggages like this one, and I have around 7 or 8 baggages. And I keep my clothes according to the events and categories. Like there's heavy party wear, light party wear, then there is anarkali, heavy, and then light anarkali. Then there are dresses when I visit my friends and family, and dresses when the guests come over. So yeah, I have quite a few. Okay, one of the tragedy that the belt is broken. Anyways, I also have a couple of baggages that has my old clothes that doesn't fit me anymore, but I still have them in the hope that someday I will fit into those clothes, and that someday those clothes will be back in fashion. Okay, so here it is. This is how I keep my luggage. I can only fit 2 here, and I keep it in this standing position because if I need to take something out from this one or that one, I can easily do that. I'm thinking I'll just go downstairs and have some breakfast. It's already late, and I think it's time for me to have my breakfast before I start cleaning something else. So let's just go and do that. So when I came downstairs, I found that my mom has already made dough for the parathas because my younger sister were visiting us for the weekend, so she made her breakfast. So here I am making the paratha, and my younger sister is frying them in the tawa. With that, we have this suji ka halwa, which I really like when I want something sweet but not too sweet. And with that, we have this sukhi aloo ki sabzi. I'm showing the highlighter here which I bought a few months ago, and I wanted to use it before my sister's wedding, but I didn't get a chance, and I still have it. I don't know when I'm going to use it. Anyways, I'm back to work after my breakfast, and here I moved all the stuff from my dresser to the bed, and I put a plastic sheet on my bed so that my bed doesn't get dirty. I'm not going to change my bed sheet today, so that's why I just put a plastic sheet there. After that, this was my next target. This is the chair that we have, but we often use it as our second closet. Okay, so this area is clean, and my table side is also clean, and also this area, all the clothes from the chair is gone. I kept the luggage in its place, and the only thing I have left to do is the only thing I have left to do is the laundry. This one is already folded, so I have to keep it in its place, and this one I have to fold, and I'm thinking I will do it at the end of the day, like when I am done with everything and I have energy left to do this, then only I'm going to do it. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave it for tomorrow, because I'm thinking today I'm just gonna do the sweeping, mopping, and dusting the entire house. So I will just leave this today. Since I'm off today, I was thinking it's a good idea that I can just clean everything in one day. So tomorrow I'll be left with the laundry only, and I'm not going to show you my entire room because you can see that in my other vlog that I have already posted. I can link that vlog in the description below. I'm gonna place this mat back to its place, and then I will sweep and mop and I'll be done. So the last thing I'm left to do is place this Himalayan salt lamp at my side table. And since the time I got this lamp as a gift from my coworker slash friend, I have been using it every night. Okay, so that was the last thing to do, fix the lamp right here, and I have already taken shower, and now I'm gonna have my dinner. I skipped the lunch, or you can say I had my lunch and skipped the breakfast because I ate breakfast very late. So yeah, now I'm gonna have my dinner. So